Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. We go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search for Gmail app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.